Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having best-in-class fuel economy. Features also include keyless entry, leather seats, towing package, MP3, hands-free Bluetooth integration, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. You are going to love the 2019 Ridgeline. The Ridgeline was designed to give you exactly what you need to get the job done. And with Honda quality built right in, this truck can be with you for the long haul and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, traction control, power passenger seat, air conditioning, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, moonroof, HomeLink garage door opener, power steering, aluminum wheels, floor mats. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.